This is the tone and semitone theory. Okay. What's a tone? A tone is an interval of 2 notes, while a semitone is an interval of a note. A note. Okay. When you move, if you look at this place now, if this is E, the next key is F. E to F is a semitone. Understand? But when you move from E to F sharp, that's it. E to F is what? A semitone. And when you move from E to F sharp, that's a tone. That's an interval of two notes. But a semitone is an interval of 1 note. E to what? F. Understand? Okay. German Greeks, while I was going through one of his write-up on hearandplay.com. So he brought out some of these principles behind tones and semitones. He tried to use what we call mnemonics. Mnemonics to summarize what tones and what semitones. Okay, generally, he said, why won't he wear white when hot? Why? This W stands for tone. Why won't he wear white when hot? This tone again. This semitone. This tone, semitone, which is the same thing as whole step, half step, whole step, then half step. Okay, looking at the table on the board, these are the notations. The man Solfeggio summarized the notation so to be do, de, re, mo, mi, fa, fi, sol, si, la, to, ti, do. Okay, on the piano, if this is the piano, for example, the first note you meet on the piano is C, and the note that follows C is called C sharp. The same thing with the guitar. The same thing with what? The guitar. But just that because the guitar is a string instrument, and we'll call the keys, we'll call them this E, A, D, G, B, E. Okay, E, A, D, G, B, E. So if I may explain the theory of tones and semitone with the guitar, it will be like this. Okay, so the first note will always be a tone. Any note you start from is always what? A tone. And any note you end is always a tone. So look at it now. If this is key E on open position, E. This is E on open position. So the first note is E open position. The first note I will step my hands on is what? A tone. A tone as a tone. The next note is a semitone. The third note is what? A tone. A semitone. Understand? You get it? So a tone is just an interval of one note. Why is a semitone? You have to cross 2 steps. But you get what a tone is. Understand? Okay.